Hey guys, long time no see. I know I haven't filmed a video in a couple of weeks now. I just haven't really had the time or been motivated to film anything. But today I've got a haul, surprise, 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 from Asos. Now, this was when Asos had like 50%, up to 50% off everything. So that's why I kind of got some of this stuff, and some of it's, well, it's mainly a work related haul because I needed a few more shirts and a few more trousers in a bigger size, while I'm trying to get back to the size I was through Couch to 5k. I'm now doing 25 minutes of running, and that's like 3.5k. I know I'm probably taking quite a long time to do it, but I've been on week 7 for probably like 6 weeks, but I'm going to go on to week 8 from this week. But anyway, I have got a few things to show you. So the first thing I'm going to show you, and this is the running related thing, is I got this. Now I was going to check prices and things, bear with. I've got the prices up on my phone so I can like tell you. So I got this headband. Now it was quite tight. I actually wore it this morning to go running. Do I look like Nadal? I probably wear it quite low, so it's probably a bit weird, and my forehead's not overly big, so, but yeah, I wanted to get this for running because I do sweat a lot on my forehead and it goes down to my eyes and it stings. So I got this. Probably could have got one cheaper somewhere else. It's Under Armour from the logo. It was £4.80 in the sale, where it's normally £8. Is the white going to get really dirty? I don't know. Ooh. And I've worn that already. It is quite tight, but it'll probably be loosening up over time. Second things I got were a pack of face masks. I have got some, but I wanted ones that are fabric, reusable, washable, with a nose, like, wire in the nose, so you can like clip it to your nose. So I got this pack of 3 for £7.20, which makes it £2 something each, and I've used one already. This is just a black one. They are pretty thin, but they're double lined, and they've got adjustable straps here. You've got like a little toggle to adjust them, but I just put them on, then fold it down my nose, put that on, and it's actually quite good in terms of not fogging up my glasses, and with tightening the straps there's not too much, if any, really of a bulge here, like a gaping, or gaping down here, which is what you want, and no gaping up here, which is what I was getting from my previous ones. Well, I've still got them and I'll still use them. They're from Top Man. If you saw that haul, I'll link it up here somewhere. They gape quite a bit here, and I can like squash it down with my glasses, but it does still steam up my glasses quite badly, especially when it's humid and stuff. But yeah, this is good because you've got the adjustable straps, so you can make them tighter or looser, but they're also elasticated, so you can make them quite like small like that, so then you get quite a tight fit, which obviously you do want. And then it's got the nose clip thing in where it's got elasticated there, not elasticated, like wire, I suppose. And then also in the pack you get a camo one, which I've not worn yet, so obviously can't be seen. And then like this like moss green colour. This one feels quite a lot thicker than this one. This one feels a lot thinner than that one. Don't know why. Actually, this one feels a lot thicker than the other one, so maybe that will be good in winter. I don't know. I'm using that black one. Actually, I'll take the black one out and put it, because I'm going to use it tomorrow. I've been using that. I used it today for the first time and I really liked it, so highly recommend those. They were £7.20 in the sale, or they're £12 full price, which they'll probably be now. I then got, which I've got a hanger, these pair of Asos Extreme Super Skinny Smart Trousers in navy. I got these for £9.60 instead of £20, and I've got these already. They're like one of my favourite trousers, but they won't fit me at the moment because, you know, quarantine 15. Hopefully these will. I got these in a 34 waist. So I don't know if I'm going to try stuff on or not. I don't know how bothered I can be. Also got this pair of grey ones that are also, what were these? Also Asos design, extreme super skinny, smart trousers in grey. These were £10, so they were 40p more than the blue ones, the navy ones, and these are also originally 20, but they're just grey trousers like this. Have they got some stretching? Yeah, a little bit of stretch, which is good. So I got two shirts from New Look on Asos. They were both £8.75, originally £10.99 each, and they are short sleeve poplin shirt, and I got one in a, sorry, I was looking at my phone to see what they are. Got them in a khaki because Asos don't do paper slips anymore. It's all online. So that's how you return stuff. I got one in this khaki colour. So I got one in this khaki colour, and it's just a short sleeve shirt. Hopefully that's going to be okay. And I also got it in a white. That's just got massive Asos on it. You can't see. So much plastic. Like the way Zara does their online orders is really nice. This one, the khaki one says it's easy iron. This one doesn't, even though they're like exactly the same shirt. So that's a bit odd. But this is just a white short sleeve, which hopefully will be good. I got them both in a medium. So yes, hopefully you enjoyed this quick little haul. And I hope you guys are all well, staying safe where you are. I know things are on the rise again, so please stay safe. And yeah, follow my Instagrams linked below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!